Oh, fuck. Damn it, Tyler, I knew you brought that. I fucking knew you brought that, you son of a bitch.
Oh, that's brutal.
What was that? Bro! Hey, could you get me out of this thing, bro? It fucking stinks! Dude, that's not funny!
Oh my god. Oh my god.